are going for discussing about two more parameters, that is your azimuth angle and elevation angle. So what is this azimuth angle and what is this elevation angle with respect to the satellite? So here this is the position of the satellite. Okay, this is the position of the satellite. This is the north. This is the north and this is the east. Okay, this is the north and this is the east. So if we are considering the earth if we are considering the earth, in earth you are having north, you are having east, west, north, all the directions are there. So in that you just consider that this is the north. Okay, and if this is the north, this will be the east. Now say this is the position of the satellite. Satellite means it will be in space. So it is three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure will be there. Okay. If I want to know the detail of this satellite, what is the position of the satellite? Okay. I should know one is called the azimuth angle. So what is this azimuth angle? Azimuth angle means from the satellite we are making a straight line that is falling on the plane. Plane means it is your northeast plane. Okay, it is your northeast plane. So you are having x-axis, y-axis, that is your north and your east. Okay, so in this northeast plane, where the position of the satellite is located, we will see that position. Okay, and then we will see that what is the angle that point is with respect to your north. Okay, so we can say that azimuth angle, it is the angle between your north towards the east where the satellite points fall on the plane. Okay, the point where the satellite point fall on the plane. So this is this angle. So this is your azimuth angle. So azimuth angle, it will be always horizontal. Okay, it is horizontal. Next, you are having a elevation angle. If you are going for elevation angle means it is vertical. Your azimuth angle is your horizontal, your elevation angle is your vertical. So what vertical? So it is from the center of the earth. From the center of the earth, where is the position of the satellite? What is the position of the satellite? Okay, with respect to this. Okay, so it is actually the height. So if we are knowing the azimuth angle and if we are knowing the elevation angle, we can calculate the position of the satellite in three-dimensional figure. In three-dimensional figure, we can calculate what exactly the position of the satellite is. As the satellite is not stationary, it is always rotating. So we can find the position of the satellite at fixed interval. So at time t1, what is the position of the satellite? Provided that if we are knowing what is the azimuth angle, what is the elevation angle. So azimuth angle and elevation angle are these two parameters that are required for finding the instantaneous position of the satellite. Okay, next. Here, this is your elliptical orbit. This is the orbit of the satellite. So, as you know that the satellite will move in the elliptical orbit. Here, you are having the perigee, you are having the apogee. So, you are having perigee and this is the apogee. So, perigee is the nearest point and apogee is the far away point. Okay. And if you are seeing that this is your earth, and this point O, this is the center of the earth. This point O, this is the center of the earth. and you are having one more point C. This point is the center of your this ellipse as well as center of this circle. So the center of ellipse and center of circle is this point C. Okay, whereas point O is the earth center. Point O, it is the earth center. This is your ellipse. You are having the major axis. You are having the major axis. This A is the major axis. This. So, if you are seeing point C, this is center of your ellipse and center of this circle. Whereas your point O, it is center of your earth. Point C, it is center of your ellipse and center of your circle. Point O, it is center of the earth. Now, here you are having this A, this is your major axis. Major axis of your ellipse, and this B, this is the minor axis of your ellipse. Okay. Now, if I am seeing this complete length from here to here, it is your 2A. It is your 2A. From here to here A and from here to here A, total you are having the 2A. So that you are having this one. Okay. So this is your minor, this is your major axis 2A. Okay. Now, as this is the center and this distance is your A, this distance means the point from the earth to this center means point these two. This is your, it is product of your A and E. E is your eccentricity. What is your eccentricity? Eccentricity is the degree, it is the degree of straightness. So earlier it is 0 when you are having circle, this is your, and when you are stretching it, that is your E. Okay, that is your E. So product of your A and E, this distance is there. Now if I want to frame the equation, here you see this one, this is radius of earth. This is radius of earth. This is radius of earth. And there is point, this one, H at the base P. This is the